Hey guys, it's Cal, and no, I don't want to talk about my outfit. And, no. This is our 30-foot Skoolie conversion. My partner and I just spent this past year building out entirely from the ground up. I gotta get away from these. And, we really need to talk because we're about to take you all the way across the country and back in this situation. Yeah. We started the trip off strong with a breakdown, landing ourselves a week in a diesel shop, totally unplanned, totally unmoved into the bus, but we made it. Then we drove our way all the way down to Georgia. We weren't taking any chances. However, when we got to Georgia, we spent a little time there resetting, but then we went to the shelter and got 2 new kittens.
What's that?
And they're like my best little friends ever. Their names are Puddles and Moose, and now we're a family of 6. We then made our way back up to Tennessee where we enjoyed a Buc-ee's, but we also got the stomach flu, so it was kind of meh. After getting sick, we made our way out to Kentucky. I don't know, we're in Kentucky.
Kentucky.
We explored a big cave. I don't know how we ended up in Kentucky, but we did, and I just had the best day ever. Like a really big cave. We're gonna go what?
Spelunking.
Did you know there are caves out in Kentucky? Yeah, it was craziness. After doing some cave exploring, we then made our way out to Illinois. What state are we in?
Illinois.
So we're in Illinois. I guess we're in Illinois. And from there, we made our way to Missouri, where we were able to go check out the
Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch. The Gateway Arch.
Gateway Arch. Gateway Arch.
We also totally hit a sign.
With the mirror.
With the mirror, it was nothing. That was kind of crazy. And how could you forget? Night fever, night fever. Now there's this thing that I can't wrap my brain around, and it's the fact that to head west, we need to head north over to South Dakota. Make that make any sense? I bet you can't. But South Dakota's pretty big, and we got a lot of driving to do. And instead of rambling about what we're gonna do there, I could just show you. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna go. We'll check in a minute. Enjoy some driving, and we'll talk soon. You're jealous of the fit. I know. Next time. Alrighty, and one last thing. You're gonna wanna buckle up. It's gonna be a wild ride. And bumpy. It's gonna be bumpy. South Dakota was really freaking bumpy. Alright, bye. I forgot the wah.
Puddles is watching. Good morning. I just made coffee. I boiled water, right? I poured my water in my cup. I added my coffee. Oh wait, yeah, because it's instant coffee. This isn't fancy. So, okay, whoa. What did I do? Okay. So I just made a cup of coffee. You know, the water's boiling hot. What did I do first thing? I took a sip. I burned my whole mouth. I just burned my mouth and my throat.
At least Moose is super cute. Hi, buddy. Oh, I wonder where Puddles is.
Yeah, she was hiding on top of the water tank.
Is this not the sign of the best morning ever?
True. We've had fun.
Are we going under that?
Yep.
That? Do we fit under that?
Yeah. 14 feet 10 inches. We're 13.
Joe cakes.
Wow, wow.
Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Oh my bumpy. South Dakota. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. It's also bumpy. Yeah, South Dakota's been really fun. Can we talk about the dinosaur for a second? That was so cool. I'm not gonna lie, next week we're gonna do a little bit more driving through South Dakota. So to get to that, we gotta end this, and that means just one last thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm all over the place. I'm like doing circles. Whee! Don't forget to like this video. Maybe leave a little comment down below letting me know if there's anywhere in South Dakota you think we should check out or that we've missed so far along the way. And then lastly, don't forget to subscribe. That way you know you're always ready for the next adventure, and it helps me out too. Then I'll know you're along for the ride. All right. I will see you guys down the road. Bye. South Dakota. Boo. Did I scare you?
I thought that was funny.
Whoa.